To get things started, you can just go to GitHub 10+io/Proton to follow the README to set up the Docker image. And we also provide Docker Compose file with Redpanda as the message bus, the Redpanda console as the UI, as well as the OL shop as data gen. So just give you an idea about how things work. Of course, we will talk about more details in the following videos. You can just clone this repo as a Git and start the Docker Compose from the file. Or you can just download the file, such as dockercompose.yaml file. You can download it to somewhere. I guess it's in my download folder. Okay, cool. And you go to the download folders. There should be a Docker Compose file. You just download it, right? And you can just run doc compose up. Oops, I haven't started Docker yet, so let me start it right now. So the only dependency is the Docker. Of course, we can provide a downloadable binary for your Linux, for your Mac, for your Windows, but using Docker can help you manage everything easily without going into the detail about the configuration files. Okay, our Docker is running right now. Then let's run again. So there's only 3 images it will download, and it's pretty fast. Bravo, the old image is put and the entire stack is ready. Let's check the Docker Compose. So there are 4 images, 10+ Proton as the SQL database, Redpanda as the streaming message bus, OL shop as the data gen, and the console as the web UI to explore data. So let's open the console. Cool, this is the Redpanda console, a very nice UI, and you can see and there are a few topics already created, like this customer address, front end, order. Say, let's check out the front end. Let's make this bigger. And if you refresh the page, you will see there's some new events coming every second. All the data is in the JSON format, like this. It can be as complex as you want. Then if you want to query the data, figure out the insights such as which HTTP method is most common, or what is the most common browser in the last 5 minutes, then using SQL will be highly recommended. This is pretty much the video of Learn Streaming SQL in 3 minutes with 10+ Proton. Hopefully every 3 minutes you can learn something new and you can apply to your day-to-day data engineering work. Maybe you already figured out that is start your journey of data streaming with SQL. It's not that hard at all. So subscribe to this account and see you in the next video. Peace.